Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by connecting the iPad to a Mac or PC. Use a certified cable. Put the device into recovery mode now. Press the specific button sequence for your model. This forces the system to accept an erase. Once done, open Finder or iTunes. It will detect an iPad in recovery. Choose Erase or Restore. This removes the passcode and user data. You do this because software lockouts are stored locally, and a full restore reset system, firmware to factory state. You now confirm Restore and allow Finder or iTunes to download the latest iPad OS firmware. This may take time, so be patient and keep the iPad connected. The tool verifies the firmware signature, then installs it. That's the critical step that replaces corrupted system files and removes the lock. Make sure to monitor progress bars. Interruptions can corrupt the restore. If the process completes, the iPad will reboot to setup screens. You will then proceed to configure it as new or restore from backup. You finish by walking through the Setup Assistant. If Activation Lock asks for the Apple ID, sign in. That links the device to its owner and completes security checks. If you don't have those credentials, contact the original owner or Apple support with proof of purchase. They can remove Activation Lock. If restore errors occur, note any error codes, retry on another computer, or use a different cable and network. This troubleshooting ensures hardware and network variables aren't causing the lockout.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.